Tunnel. Tunnel again. Good girl. It's just like, let me go through it. Lenny, come here, girl. Come here, Lenny. Sit. Sit, Lenny. She's just like, I don't want to do this tunnel crap anymore. Come here, girl. Hey, are you full off treats? Are you done with obedience training? Come here, girl. Come here. Do you just want to cuddle? Sit. Sit. No, that's lay down. That's not sit. This will be the training bloopers. Leave it. Good girl. Okay. Come here, Lenny. You need a sterner voice when I'm training. Yeah. Right. Come here, girl. Sit. Sit. No. Up. Up. Why do you keep doing that?